creating VLANs. In this tutorial, I will create two VLANs. The first one, VLAN 4, and I'll call that MIS with the following information. The second VLAN that I'll create is VLAN 5, and I will call that math with the following information. Let's create some VLANs. Okay, in the lower left-hand corner, end devices. As the end devices on the right-hand side updates, let's grab a laptop and throw it into our work area. Let's grab a PC and throw it into the work area. Let's grab a switch, left-hand corner, network devices, drop a line, get routers and switches. And the 2960, and let's throw it up here. And let's zoom in a couple times. Okay, let's configure the PC. Click on the PC, configure fast Ethernet 0. And for the IP address, I'm going to put this as 192.168.4.5. And I'm going to copy this because I'm kind of lazy. Then I'm going to click on the subnet mask and it automatically updates. You don't have to save the changes or anything, you just exit out. And since I'm on the lazy side, go to the label and Control V. So we know the IP address of our PC as we're working on our network. Let's do the exact same thing for the laptop. Configure fast Ethernet 0, and for the IP address 192.168.5.5. And I'm going to copy this, and I just click on the subnet mask. And I will zoom in so you can see it. The IP address and subnet mask. Just exit out. So that's the laptop, and let's align this here. VLAN 4 we'll put at the top, and VLAN 5 we'll put down here. It'll help us configure the network as we work on it. Okay, let's go to the switch, click on the switch, and go to Configure, and go to Settings, and Display Name, and you can type in something, but do type in something. Actually, you don't have to do that. That was just kind of a creative way for me to get my point across. Okay, let's click on the switch, CLI, enter, and I will zoom in so you can see what I'm typing. Okay, we want to create a VLAN, and we will create VLAN 4 first. But first we have to enable the switch. Then we have to configure the terminal. And enter. Okay, let's create a VLAN. VLAN 4. Enter. Well, let's give it a name. And I want to call this MIS. And enter. So interface. I want to use the one port. Enter. Now, you can type out these 3 words, or if you're lazy like me, you can use the shortcut keys. I will demonstrate these shortcut keys, or again, you can type it all out. SW tab, M tab, A tab, enter, SW tab, A tab, and VLAN 4. Actually, space 4. Enter. Now let's create another VLAN. VLAN 5. And we'll give it a name. We'll call it math. Enter. Interface. Okay, and we wanted port 5. Now, again, you can type it out or use the shortcut keys. SW tab, M tab, A tab, enter. SW tab, A tab, VLAN space 5, enter. Okay, let's end. Enter, and let's save it. Enter, enter. And let's exit. We get into the user mode and enter again. Into the user mode, and let's take a look at show VLAN. And we will see VLAN 4 and 5, MIS and math respectively. This ports 1 and 5 respectively. So enter. Go to the top, there's 4 and 5, MIS, and 1 and 5. In the next video, I will add other PCs, laptops, and printers to our VLANs. So stay tuned for that.